Hi there, Massy here, coach, strategist, and author of 4 books, and I'm super excited about the Life Masterclass coming up in Bali because it's the first workshop at the practice since the whole lockdown thing. So I'm very honoured for it to be myself that runs that first workshop. So thank you to the boys at the practice for that opportunity. So this Life Masterclass is very much focused on 2 themes. Reconnection with ourselves and reconnection with the group. I'm a big one for bringing people back together. Things have pushed us apart. I'm all about how can we come back together and reconnect heart, soul, and physically. The second thing is reset. So we've had this disruption happen at 2020, the start of 2020. So whatever thoughts we thought we were going to do or things we thought we were going to do for 2020, chances are they've been disrupted. So this is an opportunity to step back, and this is what I do as my principal profession in coaching, is helping people to step back, get clarity about what they might still be dragging along with them. Maybe they've picked up something over the last few months that isn't serving them in this present moment. Getting clear about, okay, let's readjust this thing. What might the future look like now? And also, what do I need to do each and every moment so I can have this greater sense of daily peace, daily joy, and this level of calmness that allows me to drop into the idea of being a creative genius. So all of those things collectively together, processing the past, clear about the future, and how we can show up each day. So it's a 1.5 day event, the Friday night on the 3rd from 6 p.m. to 9 p.m, going through the setup for this, the reconnection for this, and then a deep dive guided meditation at the end to prepare us for a full day on Saturday. Saturday, I'll be taking you through our NLP, Neuro-Linguistics programming technique to process some past stuff. We'll be doing some goal setting activities, some other activities sort of joining together, reconnecting as well. So a beautiful opportunity for you to bring a greater level of calm, confident, clarity, courageousness back into 2020, so you get right back on track and start co-creating that destiny that you wanted to create for 2020. So I really, really look forward to you there. More details above or below one of those. And if you've got any specific questions for me, don't hesitate to reach out and ask. I would love to see you there. And if you can think of anyone else that would love to come along, please reach out and ask them. I'd love to have as many people as possible in this opportunity and through this experience, so we can really reconnect together, so we can start becoming empowered role models in our community, and that sort of spills out all around us in these ripples that go out, and start bringing this world back into a more coherent, energetic field. So if that sounds like something for you, if you want to join us for that, I've discounted this thing, so it's sort of 50% of what I would normally charge for this event to make it as accessible for as many people as possible. Everyone will get a book coming along. So I really look forward to this opportunity that I get to share with you. So hope to see you there. Have a fantastic day. All the very best and take care.